Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about centripetal and centrifugal force. So let us start with first centripetal force. It is defined as centripetal force is which acts along the radius and directed towards the center of the circle. Now as you have studied UCM, uniform circular motion. So acceleration in that motion is always directed towards the center of the circle. That is called centripetal acceleration. Now according to Newton's second law, wherever the direction of acceleration, that is same as the direction of force. So hence it is defined that centripetal force is also acting along the radius and towards the center of the circle. Okay, now let us see next. The formula for centripetal force is mass into centripetal acceleration. So that is m into v square upon r. Now these are some characteristics of the centripetal force. It is the real force. Real force means which the force which is due to the actual interaction between the object. So centripetal force is also the real force. The next, uniform circular motion is produced and maintained by centripetal force. For circular motion, centripetal force is necessary force. Next, centripetal force is responsible for changing the direction of velocity at every instant.